Yeah, that's a nice view of the pond. Nice bit of bamboo in the corner there. Nice bit of bamboo on there as well. Yeah, it's a bit windy today, so the waterfall's going all over the place, but as you can see, there's plenty of aeration going on there. The two pipes there they're leading to my tank in my shed, which is full of alpha grog filter and filter floss. That pipe there next to that pot, that's my DIY Venturi. So when I'm not using a waterfall, I get all the aeration from that DIY Venturi there. Very effective. I'll do a video on that one at some point. Then I've got my nice koi spitter. That's sitting on a DIY skimmer. And again, I'll do another video on that one, show you how all that works. Water is crystal clear. There's some very happy fish in there. I'll just show you my nice little water feature I've got now as well. Nice. Nice palm tree in the corner there. Really sets the scene. Built this seat as well. That's where I do most of my chilling out. Just put the cushions back on that. It's a bit windy today. Yeah. Also got a nice water feature over here as well. You just can't beat the sound of running water. Got the tills out as well. Always doing a bit of DIY. There's always something to do. So my garden's looking really nice at the moment. There's my dog trying to get in the action. I'll show you where all the action is. So them barrels hold 200 litres of water. That first one there, you can see that's absolutely ram-packed with alpha grog, and then at the very top I've got a layer of filter floss. This goes into this one there. This one's empty at the moment. I'm actually going to do a video on that, how I put the alpha grog in there and the filter floss, but at the moment that's empty. Just need to get them get the media for that. So then this tank here, that also holds 200 litres of water, and at the moment that is full of ram-packed with alpha grog. and filter floss. And I don't know if you can just see there, it's just starting to come through a little bit brown, so it's a good indication that I need to clean those out. I'll also do a video on that as well. Right, so where the water comes in, I've got my 30 watt UV clarifier. So from there it goes into this first tank. A barrel comes in there, filters through all the media, and then drains off through there. Goes into this second tank, or barrel. Let's call it a barrel because it is a barrel. Comes into there and then goes out, down into this tank, and then back out to the pond. So got plenty of videos coming. Just thought I'd give you a quick guide on my setup. And yeah, more videos to come. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.